been searching my whole life to find my own place, and maybe it's the party talk.
Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Frozen PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. The Frozen PowerPoint game is made by Brienne Jennings of the Way Group Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get your free downloadable PPT copy. The first screen is a selection of letters, and you have to choose one of the letters to go to a question. When you choose one of the correct options,
I've been searching my whole life to find my own place, and maybe it's the party.
you'll get some points. Normally the points are denoted by hearts, but there are other special events as well. To return, click on the Frozen logo. Well, I hope you found this PPT walkthrough helpful. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing to our channel, and remember to check out the links below to be able to get your copy of the PPT. Bye.